Today we are making a garlic balsamic pork loin in the crock pot. You want to start by patting it dry. And I'm making a rub with pepper, salt, paprika, onion powder, and garlic powder. We're going to sprinkle it all over the pork. This step is optional. If you have time, I highly recommend you do it. Searing it is going to caramelize the pork, brown the protein, and give you a really sexy crust on the meat. After about 2 to 3 minutes, flip it. Should have this nice brown crust on it. I like to brown all 6 sides for extra credit. On the ends, you can do about 1 to 2 minutes. Once this is browned, add it to your crock pot, and then we're going to cook the onions and all of this deliciousness. I'm also going to chop up an onion, brown it in the cast iron after the pork's done, and then pour this. And you're just going to want to saute these bad boys until they start to turn translucent, and you can scrape up. Next, we are going to combine minced garlic, because I forgot to buy the real stuff, balsamic vinegar, olive oil, and Italian seasoning. You can combine this in a food processor if you want to make more dishes for yourself, but I'm just going to start in this bowl. With the pork fat side up, take the sauce, and you're just going to baste it all over the meat. It's going to look something like this, and we add our onions. I'll try to do this without dropping the pot all over the damn place. Okay. Looking good. Last step before we cover it, use chicken broth, chicken stock. I'm using bouillon cubes and cheating a little bit. You're gonna pour this over the meat and cook it for 4 hours on high. I'm doing 10 hours on low.